Are you too busy to go to the post office? Do you want to skip those long lines? Or you just don't want to go to the post office at all? Just want to stay home? Ship your pop out? Don't have to worry about it. I want to show you how in this video. So let's get to it.
Before I get started, if you happen to like movies, trailer reactions, Funko, subscription boxes, and collectibles, then hit that subscribe button now, because I have all that on my channel. Don't forget to turn the bell icon on so you know when I post another video.
So I got this idea for this video after seeing a different video. So this video kind of coincides with this one. And I thought this would be a big help for people that are just too busy or just don't even want to leave the house at all. Just to go ahead and ship Funko Pops, for trades, or they sold them, So this video, I'm going to show you how y'all don't even have to leave the house to ship out a pop. So the idea I got for this video came from another video I saw, and that video was on Shumi Nation's YouTube channel. Now, I'm going to leave a link below to that video, and whenever you're on the channel, make sure you subscribe because they have a great channel. But basically, in their video, they show you how you can print a label out without even having to go to the post office. So that's a great video, and I was thinking, that's something I actually do already. I do that already for whenever I want to ship out something. I do that already. I create a label at the house and just ship it out. But I thought I could add something to that video. I could show people how to just not even leave the house at all and just ship the pop out from their house. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you could do that.
Guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is open your browser up. So you're on Google. The way that you're going to type in is USPS pickup. Search. Now, I will actually link to the site description, but this is just, a quick little view of how you can search it up. And what you're going to do is click on this first one right here that says schedule a pickup. So this is what the page looks like. And what you're going to do is, just enter your information. Let's enter the information. I'm going to go with a different name though. And we're going to go with our random address. Enter city, scroll down to your state, enter zip code, and sometimes it'll actually do it automatically if it knows what zip code it is. And then basically go over here, enter your number, email address, at whatever, Gmail, sorta. Alright, now after entering all that information, you go down here, click on check availability. So now it's checking your availability, and it says right here, service available. Alright, the next thing you go on is there a dog at this address? Now you either click yes or no, and go ahead and click on no. Then it'll give you the next one. It says, where should we look for your shipment? Now you click on this and it's going to give you, options. It'll be like in or at mailbox, on the porch, front door, back door, side door. So I'm going to click on mailbox. And then right here in this little box, you can enter any other information that you want to enter. Like any specific stuff you want to say to them, you can do that. Now what you do is go down to this next one, and it says what time should we pick it up. Now they do charge if you want a specific time. You can see right there, $22 per pickup. That requires a sign in, but the one that you click on is if you want it free, the first one during your regular mail delivery. All right. So the next one you go to is when should we pick it up. Now I suggest that you go ahead and put this in a day in advance. So we could put this in for tomorrow, the 6th. Just click on that, August 6th. And then down here, you scroll down here, it says, how many items are we picking up? So, whichever way you're shipping it, whether it be priority, mail, first class, whatever, you're going to put down how many packages you're going to pick up. So that'll be one package for the first class. And then you just put the weight. So like if it's 1 pound or less, you just put 1 pound. If it's more than that, you put like 2 pounds and so on. After that, you're just going to click on that you have the terms and conditions, and you can go ahead and read those if you want to. But basically, that's it for this one. And then what you do is right here, click on schedule a pickup. That's right here. And basically, it'll take you to the next page that says it gives you a confirmation number, and it'll send you a confirmation email also. So that's basically it for that. I do want to say, make sure you put your package out early. Like if you happen to know the exact time your postman comes and picks them up, you know, make sure you put them out there. So like I suggest putting them out in the morning, you know, maybe around 9 or 10 o'clock, you know, especially like if you're going to leave somewhere, put them out like early in the morning. That way they make sure they have it out there and they can pick it up for you.
I thought that was helpful and informative for y'all. You know, want to try it out? Go ahead. Like I said, go watch Shumi Nation's video. I'll leave a link in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because they make some great videos. But yeah, go watch that video. Shows you how to make the labels. It really coincides with this video. So, you know, go check it out. If you thought this was helpful, leave a like. Subscribe to the channel. Turn notifications on so you know when I post another video. I still want to have a giveaway. But the only way we can have a giveaway is if we get more people to subscribe to the channel. The more people that subscribe, the faster we can have this giveaway. But that's all I got. I'll see y'all next time. And remember, be legendary.